How to delete Instagram chat from both sides permanently. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Here, click on the message icon at the bottom. After you're in the message section, simply click on the person you want to delete the chat with. Then, simply hold on to your message you want to delete. After that, you'll find all these options. In here, click on unsend. After you click on unsend in here, click on unsend again. As you can see, unsending will remove the message for everyone. People may have seen or forwarded it already as well. Unsend in here, and it will be deleted from both sides. What you can also do is simply drag the chat upwards, which will turn on disappearing mode. From here, you can chat, and after you're done chatting, you can turn or scroll upwards again, which will turn off disappearing message, and all the messages will be deleted. And this is how to delete Instagram chat from both sides permanently. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.